This demo shows how the Batch Process Manufacturing Workspace Agentic application monitors batch operations to detect issues early and guide corrective actions. Marie, a process engineer, opens the Batch Process Manufacturing Workspace and reviews a summary of prioritized recipe and batch issues and risks. She expands the expected production deviations panel to understand whether the deviation impact on yield is significant. Looking at recipe exceptions, she can quickly identify the recipes that are incomplete or missing and resolve the exceptions in preparation for production. Another pre-production check finds batches with predicted product quality conformance issues based on ingredient lot parameters. Marie runs the priority action to check the conformance for a critical batch and finds that it is considered out of range with options to resolve the issue with batch recalculation. Marie uses Ask Oracle to learn more about the largest batches with conformance issues. She inquires specifically on one of the batches and runs the conformance check that shows another out-of-range response. The Batch Process Manufacturing Workspace reasons across yield and conformance signals to monitor batch operations, detect issues, compare performance, and guide corrective actions. Process engineers like Marie can quickly resolve variances, reduce variability, and improve batch conformance before execution.